cute. You guys are getting muddy. Very cute.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around.
Never a dull moment when you get back here in the rainforest of Palawan. Morning, Koya. You have a nice wave. That is a big carabao. How are you?
You and me.
Okay. Have a good day. God bless.
To be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I'm just exploring. Is this the end of the road, or can I end of the road? All right. Long drive. So you guys all live here?
In the great outdoors.
Everyone lives here? I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah, you guys are on YouTube. Yeah, you want to say hi for you on YouTube? You? Get here, say hi. Puerto Princesa.
Ate Maria.
Ate? You want to say hi to camera?
Hi.
This is 50 pesos.
Thank you.
So that. Hey guys, another update on where I've been and where I am going to. Beautiful rice field. I have been on this trail out in this thick bush for quite some time, and I'm not sure where it's going to end up, but I want to show you guys where I'm at and what I am exploring. So I'm headed that way, which is west. I know that, but other than that, there's just thick bush and a small trail. So hopefully this ends up somewhere exciting, and when it does, I will show you. Ciao. I just got to the end of the trail, and I want to show you where I ended up and my new friend and all of his pets. This is Julio. Say hi, Julio. he's gonna show us his house. All right, make sure these dogs don't bite me.
My farmhouse.
That's his motorcycle.
My
This is his residence. Some big turkeys and chickens.
my farm, not
This is his farm. It's beautiful, Julio. You're a very lucky man. Very lucky. Oh, this is Julio's farm. How many hectares, Julio? 6 hectares. Over there is his hectares. All right. Thank you, Julio, for your time.
Thank you.
All right. I just spent the last 15 minutes or so coming down this trail, exploring, and got to the end of the trail for the most part. And I want to show you this little house, little tiki hut that I found. It's really nice. They've obviously been harvesting coconut, copra, and got a great little couch there. And got some goats hiding out in the trees over there. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you are enjoying coming along on my adventure with me. And as always, I will videotape the next exciting thing I see. Take care. And these wonderful people want to show us their house. All right. And this is Queenie and her nephew.
Yes, sir.
And what's your nephew's name?
Brian po. Brian.
Brian. And your father?
Inat.
Hello, Julio. And they're going to show us their house. Thank you, Kuya. And so, your father's rice farmer?
Yes, sir.
How many hectares?
1 point.
1.5. Very hard work, yes? Yeah, very hard work. Very hard work. And Queenie, your mother? Over there. And your father doesn't speak any English. Yeah. Do you have a carabao?
Ano, sir? Ginamit.
Oh, okay. So you have a tractor?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. All right. So want to say hello to YouTube? Wave. Hey guys, it's Kevin. Just pulled into a small fishing village and already made a good new friend. What is your name?
AD.
AD? Yes, my name's Kevin. AD, this is a fishing village?
This island is Monkey Island.
Monkey Island out there.
This is Sitio. This village is Sitio Dilat. The name of village.
What is the name?
Sitio Dilat. Dilat.
Were you born here?
No, sir?
No.
From Bohol. Bohol.
So you and your family live here?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
We have 3 children.
3 children, huh? So are you a fisherman?
Yes, sir.
What time do you fish? In the morning or night?
Night,
Nighttime fishing?
early in the morning. Yes, sir. This man is going to say.
All right. Thank you.
Bisita lang, galing siya ng El Nido.
Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you. Welcome.
About 3:30, and I am very deep in the rainforest. I probably went a little bit further than what I should have, but what a beautiful place I found. I'm filming now because literally I can't go any further without, getting too risky and my wife kicking my, butt. So this is as far as I'm going to take it, but I'm going to show you guys around real quick. This trail you may see over here, that's for carabao. So somebody's taking a carabao across this. And motorcycle is setting up there. So now I need to get it turned around and head it back home. But you can see here that a carabao has come through here, dragging a sled. So that is it for me. I think I'm gonna get the motorcycle turned around and head home. 3:30. Take me a couple hours to get back on the highway, then get home. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know that I'm definitely enjoying this journey. Take care. Bye-bye. Good day. Did not know anybody was back here. That's what's so awesome about being back here in the rainforest. You just never know where people are going to come out. So, very friendly. Ciao. Hello YouTube, this is my new friend Shane.
Hello.
And this is your house?
Yes.
With your husband and family?
My family.
Yeah, and she's helping me get back to the highway. So how do I get to the highway, Shane? Which direction to the highway?
Yes, over here.
Over there?
Yes.
And how far do I have to go?
300. Wait. 200 meters only.
200 meters only. All right. Anything you want to say hi to YouTube? No? All right. Thank you, Shane. All right, a little fist bump action. All right. Bye-bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back